SUI is projected to increase 2.7% by tomorrow, Digital Coin Price notes. Let's start with the current setup and see how the chart is moving. SUI has dropped 6.6% in the past 24 hours and is trading right around $0.8489. On to what the experts have projected. Traders Union projects the asset will settle at $0.8357 by tomorrow, marking a possible loss of 1.7%. CoinCodex indicates SUI might approach $0.8578, representing a gain of 0.9%. 30 rates points out it could reach $0.8654, a projected increase of 1.8%. Another analysis released by Digital Coin Price points to SUI moving up towards $0.8727, a gain estimated near 2.7%. And finally, CoinLore sees a target of $0.8992 by February 25. That's 5.8% above the current level. This stands as the most profitable forecast we've reviewed. That wraps the analyst part. Let's keep moving. These are the key takeaways from all 5 forecasts. According to all forecasts, price movement could span from a decline of 1.7% to a gain of 5.8%. In conclusion, CoinLore projects the highest gain with 5.8% increase in value by February 25. That means you could earn between $9 and $58 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at volatility data, CoinCodex's forecast indicates the most probable price movement with a 97.2% chance of success. By putting all the forecasts side by side, I've drawn up a consensus view. Consensus valuation marks SUI around $0.8662. Here's what the details look like. The consensus perspective shows the price advancing by 1.9%. Put differently, your capital could also benefit by about 1.9% as part of that movement. On a 1,000 example, the move could potentially translate into about $19 gained. According to the consensus assessment, the odds of this projection being realized are near 95.4%. Let's pause here and check the 3-day forecasts from analysts. A bearish forecast is made by Traders Union, expecting losses. According to also CoinCodex, SUI is set to slip. Similarly, 30 rates highlights building pressure to the downside. Digital Coin Price highlights that SUI may hover around current levels. CoinLore emphasizes that the short-term picture is tilted higher. Taken together, analyst forecasts indicate SUI may follow a declining path. In short, most analysts suggest SUI is likely to tilt lower. 5 forecasts were published 2 days ago. Let's check them against yesterday's price. In the end, the day's last trade was around $0.8799. Yesterday showed that only a small number of forecasts captured the right direction. Looking strictly at accuracy, Gov Capital Collector turned out most accurate. Let's zoom in on the individual results. Yesterday's market included 2 forecasts in range. And about ROI, there were multiple profitable forecasts, topped by Gov Capital Collector at 3.6%. Take a look at the results table. It shows the overall outcome of all forecasts. Looking at performance, the forecast probability for CoinLore was 84.9%, with $0.0867 accuracy and minus 4.9% ROI. Take a second and decide who deserves the top spot today. Let's see how tomorrow's forecasted returns compare between SUI and a few other coins. Tomorrow's projection puts SUI in 3rd place, while Bitcoin records 2.9% in expected performance. Only 5 cryptocurrencies are included in this section, and a wider comparison of forecasted returns across many assets will also appear on my website and Telegram. That's all for today. If this helped you see things clearer, please support the channel with a like. See you in the next comparison.